Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss how to acquire knowledge. My dear, today's topic is apart from the textual knowledge what we discuss every day. My dear, I would like to begin the matter idea taken from the Bhagavad Gita. Satvat sanjayate jnanam रजसो लोभ एव च प्रमाद मोहो तमसो भवतो अज्ञानमेव च. The couplet is taken from chapter 14 from Bhagavad Gita. By means of these lines, Lord Krishna says that from the mode of goodness, real knowledge develops. From the mode of passion, grief develops. And from the mode of ignorance, foolishness, madness, and illusion develop. My dear, today's topic is how to concentrate to acquire knowledge. We all know that academic knowledge is not complete. We are simply taking care of the material elements. But material activities do not produce very good results. Then what to do for that? As we have a little couplet, Buddhir Buddhi Matam Asma. I am the intelligence of the intelligent. Means God is always with us to drive away our delusion, our foolishness, our madness, our ignorance, and whatsoever. My dear, we also know that the materials of this world is perishable, but we have one and only method of acquiring knowledge. It is concentration. As we know, it is the key to acquire knowledge. Concentration itself is not easy to attain, but for that we need our patience and practice. Two things, just I told you, patience and practice. If we long for good results, we must have patience, and to continue our work, we must adopt practice. As said, Abhyasena to Kauntya. By doing practice again and again, we can acquire good knowledge as it is seen in the world. My dear, life itself is complex, but what to do? We should avoid our life, we should avoid the activities which lead to success. But after all, we should try concentrate fully on the work in hand rather than moving in various directions. By doing so, we can acquire good knowledge. And we have other doctrines also, as it is said that Shraddhavan labhate jnanam, who acquires knowledge, who is very willing to do that. Without having such idea, we cannot do that. My dear, I think three things are required for it. Our main topic is how to concentrate and how to stand up even in hard days, as we learnt idea from very inspiring poem, the ball poem. The specific features are discipline first. We must be disciplined for self first and for others last. And second feature is willpower. Our success depends on our determination, whether we have a strong willpower or not. We have our desire, we have our will, but without power. So, the second step to acquire knowledge or to get success in life is willpower. And third, self control. Why to adopt these three things? My dear, these three things help to focus on concentration. I think that happiness consists in doing, not in sitting idly at home. I sincerely hope that the chapters taught by the teachers respectively and spontaneously, you all have gone through them carefully and have achieved something and have made it permanent for yourself, because these things are perennial asset for you till your last breath. So what we need is the desire to appreciate by having our mind and hearts open. We must not be very conservative. I hope my idea will certainly inspire you. And as I told you in the beginning, that from the mood of passion, real knowledge develops. And I think you will follow and will acquire good knowledge to become a good citizen. Thank you.